Guys, it's Dalton Bedwell, and today we're going to be doing how to not get wrinkles. And so yeah, my cousin is asleep, so don't. She's weird. I will be asleep too, but so yeah, I hope you like it. Okay, first, you cannot do this, because if you do that, like all that will be like, sagging or anything, and like, do this forever, because that's smooth right there. This is bumpy. Ooh. Okay, and do not smile. See? Wrinkles. And do not do this, because that ends up being wrinkles. And do not do that, because I have to do that because in the sun and everything. So yeah. I hope you like it, and subscribe and give it a big thumbs up.